My dear children, welcome to your maths class. So everyone take your maths workbook and open page number 77. So here we have to learn some concepts regarding measurement. So first we are going to find which is longer and shorter. So longer word start with letter L, longer, and shorter word start with letter S. So here let us start our session. Come to A question. See the pictures carefully. You have to find which one is longer. See the picture of scale and compare these two pictures and find which one is longer. Yes, the first picture is longer. Come to B question. Which one is shorter? The second picture is in shorter. Next come to C question. Which one is shorter? Compare these two pictures and say which one is shorter. Yes, the second picture is shorter. Next come to D question. Which one is longer? So the first picture is in longer. Come to E question. Which one is longer? Yes, the first picture is longer. Next come to last set of pictures. Which one is shorter? You have to compare these two pictures and find which one is shorter. Yes, very good. The second picture is in shorter. Yes, now we are going to see how to find longest and shortest objects. So take page number 78. So put tick mark for the correct answer. Come to A question. Pick the longest iron nail. So see, you have to compare these two pictures and find which one is longest iron nail. So longest means எல்லாத்த விட அந்த group of picturesலயே இதுதான் ரொம்ப நீளமானது. So when you compare more than two objects, you have to use est, longest, tallest, shortest, like that. Okay. So among these three nail, which one is longest? Yes, the first iron nail is the longest in size, in length. Next come to B. Take the shortest cotton swab. Shortest. So you have to compare these three cotton swab and find which one is shortest cotton swab. இருக்கிறதுலயே நீளம் குறைவானது, ரொம்ப சின்னது. Yes, the third one. This is shortest cotton swab. Next come to C question. Pick the shortest radish. Yes, the middle radish is the shortest radish. Next come to D question. Pick the longest pencil. Among these three pencils, which one is longest? Longest pencil. Yes, the middle of the picture is longest. Next come to equation, which is the longest key. Yes, the first key is the longest key. Come to F question. Pick the shortest lollipop. Yes, the third lollipop is shortest when we compare these three lollipops. I hope you all understand this concept. Next we move on to page number 79, taller and shorter. When you use the word taller and shorter, when we are going to compare the height of the object. Okay, so in that time we have to use taller and shorter. So நம்ம எந்த ஒரு ரெண்டு பொருளோட height compare பண்றோமோ, எது உயரமானது எது குள்ளமானது அப்படின்னு நம்ம compare பண்ணும்போது we have to use taller and shorter. Okay, so from the first set of building, which is a tall building. Yes, you know the first picture is a tall in size. Tall in height. Next, come to the transport vehicle. So, you have to find and put tick mark for the small transport. Small. So, this is called a small. Okay. Yes, you know small, big, tall, short, like that. Okay. Yes, come to next page number 80. So here you have to do two work. First one, you have to find shorter and you have to write O for the shorter picture and then you have to put tick mark for the taller picture. So first நீங்க shorter கண்டுபிடிங்க. எல்லா picture compare பண்ணி ஒவ்வொரு set of pictureலையும் shorter எதுன்னு கண்டுபிடிச்சு அதுக்கு you have to put O. Okay. So now come to the first two animal picture. Compare these two animals and find which is shorter. Yes, the dog is shorter animal. So put O. Next come to ladder. Which one is shorter in size? Shorter in height. Yes, the second ladder is shorter. So you have to write O. Next come to these two animals. You have to find shorter and put O. So the first animal is in shorter. Next come to these two trees and find the shorter. Yes, the second tree is shorter. Obviously, the another animal or another object is taller. So you have to put tick mark for the remaining pictures. Okay, so camel is a taller animal when we compare to dog. Dog oda compare பண்ணும்போது camel தான் taller. Okay, so இந்த ரெண்டு ladder compare பண்ணும்போது first ladder is taller. Next, deer and giraffe compare பண்ணும்போது giraffe is a taller. Next, இந்த ரெண்டு tree compare பண்ணும்போது coconut tree is a taller. Okay, so taller கெல்லாம் tick mark பண்ணனும், shorter கெல்லாம் O போடணும். Yes, very good. Next come to page number 81. So here we have to find tallest and shortest. So நம்ம ரெண்டு பேத்த compare பண்ணும்போது taller, shorter. When we compare more than two person or more than two objects, we have to use tallest, shortest. Okay. So, எல்லாத்த விட உயரமானவங்க, எல்லாத்த விட குட்டையானவங்க, குள்ளமானவங்க. So, அவங்கள தான் நம்ம tallest, shortest அப்படின்னு சொல்லுவோம். So, first put tick mark and find who's tallest among the group. So, you have to compare these two people and find who is tallest. Yes, obviously we know the first woman is tallest in height. Okay, so put tick mark. So, நம்ம first one க்கு tick mark பண்ணணும். Next come to next set of people and find who is shortest. Yes, the girl is shortest among the group. Next come to last set of people and find who is tallest. Yes, the middle girl is tallest. So, center la irukavanga da ellatha vida tallest. So, my dear children, I hope you all understand the concept, which is longer, shorter, longest, shortest, taller, shorter, tallest and shortest. So, do this exercise. Thank you children. We will see in the next class.